No way.
I don't know how you got back up there, Rob. Ah! Ah!
Lollipop.
Yeah!
What the fuck am I grabbing the other one? We got two. Where'd this guy come from? Keep going, I'm getting up. Get the fuck out of here, bitch.
Pull the lever, I'm gonna hold it.
Yep, pulling.
I ran out of stamina.
You're good.
Doesn't matter.
Our bot just walked in.
Hit it.
Got it.
Oh shit! Holy shit.
They're winning.
There's literally 3 of them up there.
They got the big one. They got the big one.
It's alright, we won. Get fucking trolled by the game. Holy shit. AFK. Damn.
You just headball that?
Me? No, I punched it.
Jesus.
You got destroyed. That was crazy.
No. Oh God.
No way. Get that, Joe.
Get on, get on.
Oh. Oh, wow, he punched me, okay. Oh my god, what is our bot doing?
Goal.
Oh, it would have been if he didn't fucking get in the way. I got it. Oh my god.
No.
How the fuck did I not punch this guy?
The ball actually hit it. That's crazy.
I got goal. He just hit it. Yep. Nice.
Take it out, Joe.
I got it. I don't have it. Oh my
Ooh.
fuck.
That's in.
Nah, it's not gonna go, but they're gonna get it right here. The fuck is this? Huh. Oh jeez. Oh, nice hit. Damn, he blocked it. Dude, how long
Oh,
am
shit.
I fucking out for? Holy
Good
shit.
shot.
I think I can get it. Oh, fuck!
Nice. Dude, why are you not
Oh!
fucking punching?
Oh!
GG!
What the fuck is this?
Beat Up Bridge, it's your favorite.
I did not like beat up British.
Yeah.
Not better bot. How am I... Dude, game.
I don't know how you got back up there, Rob.
Yeah, fucking retarded. What the fuck am I doing?
you're gonna use this bomb that I'm throwing in. That should have knocked that. Nice! Here, who wants the shit?
Bomb incoming.
What the?
Fucking A.
Our bot is fucking whooping his ass.
Oh my god!
Oh, he's gonna win.
Oh shit! Oh my god, I'm dying.
Damn. That's a banana. Coming for you, dog. Who's still alive?
Just
This guy up here.
yeah.
Shit!
Shit!
Oh fuck!
All right, here we go. Here's a bomb. Got him. I got
Let's
him
go.
with the bomb. Dropped his mark and just flew off. Oh, I'm out.
1 for 1.
Yep, 1 for 1.
Bot, get him! Get him, bot! Bot!
Bye, got him!
Oh, you can't throw him though.
Get on!
Ah, nice.
That ball would beat you 1v1 though, dog. That ball's very strong.
Ah! Ah! And I'm dead. I got
I'm
killed.
dead as well.
I got killed by the shovel.
Yep, same.
Yeah, but you died off the map. I died on the map. I literally just got whacked and fell over.
Wait, I don't know what you mean.
That shovel guy. Oh. I died again.
Me too.
I died as well.
That bomb lit, and even though I was grabbing it and he let go, it counted as him throwing it, so it blew up immediately.
See?
Oh my god, what the fuck was that?
I got one.
What the fuck?
Yeah! You pooped yourself! You pooped yourself! He's pooped! What happened?
I rolled over the poop and it went on my face.
Good, good, good. I'm hearing no bad news with that.
What is my guy doing?
Absolute fucking bullshit behavior. Dude, I just don't get it.
1v3, good luck.
Thanks.
Yeah, dog, yeah, dog. Here's a ball for you, dog. That should help.
That was a terrible, terrible bomb. It was actually probably the worst bomb in the history of fucking bombs.
Oh, there another one went. Was that yours?
Yeah. I was trying to hit that dude climbing and then...
I'll give you a banana, dog, here. It went off the edge again.
You fucking suck!
You win this, dog. You win this. What the fuck, dog? We helped you out. You couldn't win that?